If you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation problems. Try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be preventing the installation from completing. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may be blocking the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete to ensure your system remains protected. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, uninstall any existing League of Legends files from your computer and download the latest installer from the official website. This can help ensure that you have a clean installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.